Hey, this is Comfort again, welcoming you to another video. Today we're cooking one of the simplest meals yet, chicken and bell peppers. It's great for weeknight dinners because it comes together in less than 30 minutes. So let's get started. Alright, you want to start by adding cooking oil to your skillet. Heat that up and then add your sliced onions and your chicken pieces. Cook, stirring occasionally until the chicken and the onions have started to brown around the edges. Next, you want to add your bell peppers. I cut mine into little diamond shapes, but you can use whatever shape that you want. You want to cook stirring constantly for the next 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, now we're gonna go in with the rest of our ingredients. Peeled and chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of dried mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. You want to go ahead and start to combine. Don't you just love how this is looking? I'm really having so much fun in my kitchen. Alright, now we're going to go in with half a cup of chicken stock, and if you don't have that, you may use water. Stir that up, then cover and cook over medium heat for the next 15 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Then I'll come back and show you what's next. Okay, so this is 15 minutes later and this looks so beautiful, and I'm telling you, it's gonna leave you feeling with a very happy feeling in your spirit. Now you want to go ahead and remove your skillet from the heat and plate your chicken. Now I'm having mine with a green salad, but it also tastes really great next to chapati, of course, rice, some crusty bread, or whatever side dish you like, really. So I'd like to invite you to watch another simple recipe by clicking on any of the boxes on the screen right now. I also want to thank you so much for watching this episode. Don't forget to like, to share, to comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until my next video, God bless and increase you. Bye!